Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to highlight the largest or lowest value in Excel. So first of all, we need to select the whole cell. On the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting and then go to the New Role. In the New Formatting Role dialog box, choose the format only top or bottom rank. From the drop-down list, select top or bottom and type how many values to highlight in the box and then select it. After that, click on Format option. Now adjust the format values and preview as required, such as color, font style, etc. And finally, next to click on OK button. Then again press OK. Done. The largest number of values highlighted. If I change the values, such as I type 1020, see the largest value automatically highlighted.